Overeating on salty snacks is a really difficult thing that a lot of people deal with, especially when they're trying to diet and make better choices. Usually this is because the types of salty snacks are very high in calories and very low in satiety. So they're very easy to overeat, and they're don't make you full, and they have a lot of calories, and that's a recipe for disaster if you're trying to maintain your weight. Now these popped chips, these are actually Rice Crisps. These are from Quaker. They have like store brand ones as well. These are an excellent substitute that you can use to kind of get that salty snack mix, but not have nearly as many calories, nearly as much fat, and will give you a lot more bang for your buck. So 16 of these crisps, and they're about the size of that big. This flavor is really good too. 16 of these is 130 calories versus a normal serving of chips is probably like, I would say 7 to 10 chips, and it's going to be at least 130, probably to 160 calories if we're talking like Lay's or something like that. And the thing about these two is that I'll actually pull one out here. I'll pull one out. They're a little bit thicker than a normal chip. So size pretty decent, but long story short, they go a lot longer way, so you have more of them. And when you're talking about dieting, the more you can eat, the more high volume your meals are, the easier it's going to be to, feel like you're getting more. And in all reality, you're not. It's just the type of food that those are. Those Rice Crisps are a lot less calories. There's a lot less fat in them. If you're ever familiar with rice cakes at the store, these are basically micro rice cakes, and rice cakes are like kind of bigger things of rice, and they're flavored as well. Those are great too, but these are kind of handheld and a little bit better. Another variation of these two are these popcorn chips. They have these at Costco in a big box. These are actually made out of corn though. Kind of the same concept, a little bit lower in fat, taste really good, give you a lot more bang for your buck than a normal bag of chips.